Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, close Roblox and make sure the PS4 HDMI output is the active TV input. Once done, open Settings, then Sound and Screen and select Display Area. You will see a white box and arrows. Move the box so every UI edge is visible, because Roblox on PS4 uses the system display area. This is the only reliable way to change how much of the game fits on screen. Make sure edges aren't cut off before you accept and save the setting. Once the system display area is set, go to Settings right arrow Sound and Screen right arrow Video Output Settings and confirm 1080p or match your TV. Then, if the picture still seems cropped, use your TV's aspect/overscan controls. Select 16:9 or a mode labeled Just Scan, Screen Fit, or 1 to stop overscan. Relaunch Roblox and walk around a menu to confirm the HUD and text are inside the visible area. If things look off, repeat the display area adjustment. Finish by saving your display area and video output choices. Then launch Roblox and play briefly to ensure everything stays inside the screen edges. If you still see cropping, reboot the PS4 and check the TV's overscan/zoom settings again. Switch to just scan or disable overscan. Also try toggling HDMI full range on your TV and PS4, or swap the HDMI cable and input to rule out hardware. If none of that works, the TV's scaling is forcing crop. Use its native screen fit mode.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.